Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So don't watch this video if you don't like spoilers. The Galaxy Note 9 is about to come up pretty soon here in August, and there's a lot of footage floating around, a lot of content floating around on it. Some specs seem to be becoming official, and so again, if you don't want any spoilers, stop this video. So apparently the screen is going to be the same size, 6.3 inches, 1440 by 2960, and you know, it's going to have a Snapdragon 845 or the Exynos 9810. There's a 6 gig and an 8 gig version, and a 64 and 256 gig version. So 8 gigs probably on the 256 gig and the 512, I should say. So there's 64, 256, and 512 for the memory. I don't know how official that is, but it's definitely possible. So I would think they would offer just the 8 gig on the 512 version or the 256 gig version. But we shall see when the announcement comes next month on, I think it's August 9th or something like that. You still got the dual 12 megapixel cameras on the rear. Pretty much this is looking like the same phone with a 4,000 milliamp hour battery and quick charge 4.0. After that, folks, you know, from what I can see in these leaked specs, which is a leak, treat this as a leak right here. Don't treat this as fact, but just saying this is probably pretty accurate. I don't see them doing this huge change in the Galaxy Note 9, but if they do, we'll have to wait for the official device to be released in about a month or so, at least the press event in New York. So they're going to place the fingerprint reader in different spots, supposedly, and they probably will. And obviously these cameras are probably going to get a little bit of upgrade. They'll be probably able to do 4K at 60 FPS now, since, you know, the S9 can do it in the S9 Plus. What do you guys think? Will you be running out to grab the Note 9? I don't know. You'll see a lot of reviews on it. You know, again, the press event is coming up in August. They've already put the information out there that the press event is coming. And you'll probably see all your favorite YouTubers there. I won't be attending this year, but I will still cover the phone. So look for that. But the Galaxy Note 9, you know, if it's not too much difference in hardware, I would hope that there's a little bit more difference in hardware other than just moving the fingerprint reader to a different location. And on the Twitter notification that they sent out for the press event is a yellow or gold looking Galaxy Note pen, S Pen. So let's hope that they do give all the colors at one time, because we just have this sunrise gold Galaxy S9 pop up. You know, the Galaxy S10 or whatever it's going to be called, it'll probably be here in January or February, you know. So keep that in mind. You know, if you're excited about the Galaxy Note 9, here's your chance. If you watch this video, got a few spoilers. Again, I don't know how accurate this information is. However, I think it's pretty solid. I don't think they're going to change too much on the phone. But that bigger battery is definitely going to be something that I'll be excited to test out, because my Galaxy Note 8 had great battery until I put Oreo on it, and we'll see how that works out. So it's your man Jay Will. Galaxy Note 9, are you guys excited about it? Are you buying it? Loyalists will always buy the next device or next iteration of a device, especially if you've bought every other previous version. So obviously we will have the device in hand here, so I'm pretty excited about that. But what do you guys think about the Galaxy Note 9 and those specs I just read off to you? Think they're accurate? Think that's what it's going to be? Think it's going to look any different? You tell me. It's your man Jay Will. I'll see you in the next video.